Hello and welcome. We need to talk about a critical topic that affects every single biodigester owner: maintenance and lifespan. When you're making a significant investment in your home's sanitation, you deserve the full truth, not just promises. I've heard many installers promise clients that a biodigester will last 10, 20, even 30 years without issue. As an experienced consultant, I must tell you, I cannot and I will not promise you a biodigester will last that long without intervention. The truth is, like any engineered system, like your car, your roof, or your septic tank, a biodigester requires maintenance for its longevity. The difference is how you maintain it. The septic tank contrast: dislodging versus maintenance. With traditional septic tanks and culverts, the solution is always dislodging, calling a tanker to pump out the accumulated sludge. This is expensive, disruptive, and frequently required. With a properly constructed biodigester, we replace that disruptive process with periodic maintenance. Your biodigester's lifespan is directly tied to how regularly and effectively you maintain it. If you want it to last 10 or 20 years, you must commit to maintaining it for that duration. What is biodigester maintenance exactly? The beauty of a biodigester is that maintenance is simple, quick, and addresses the biodegradable core of the system. Maintenance primarily focuses on two internal components: the filter bed and the porous layer. The filter bed is the heart of the system, the area where the biodegradable materials like coconut husk, hay, or specialized fiber nets are laid. This is where the magic happens, where microorganisms break down the solid waste. Over time, these organic decomposition materials naturally lose their firmness and efficiency. The maintenance process is a simple refresh. 1. Open the digester. Access the main chamber. 2. Inspect the porous layer. First, you check the porous layer, which is the firm, non-degradable structure underneath the fiber net. If it's still firm and intact, you leave it alone. If it has softened or lost its structure, it needs to be replaced. 3. Replace the filter net. The primary maintenance task is replacing the fiber net and laying new biodegradable materials into the digester bed. This immediately restores the system's ability to decompose solids efficiently. This entire process, if it is just a routine refresh, should take a qualified installer no more than 30 minutes to 1 hour. That is why we say that with a biodigester, your peace of mind is truly assured. You get fast, simple maintenance, not disruptive, costly tanker visits. There are times when the maintenance extends beyond a simple filter bed refresh. This happens when there is an issue with the soakaway pit. If your soakaway pit fails, perhaps because the surrounding soil has become completely saturated, or there's a problem with your original installation, then the system cannot drain the filtered water waste effectively. In this scenario, the maintenance involves a small construction job. 1. Diagnose the failure. Determine if the old pit is completely compromised. 2. Dig a new soakaway pit. A second soakaway pit must be dug and a new pipe connected from the digester to this new functional drainage field. This deeper maintenance may take an hour or two, but it is still fundamentally a fix to ensure the longevity of the entire system, not just a temporary pump-out. Do not be fooled by promises of decades of zero maintenance. Understand that a biodigester offers sustainable, affordable, and quick periodic maintenance that ensures its functionality, whereas a septic tank only offers expensive dislodging. Choose the system that gives you real peace of mind. The next video will give you more reasons why you should install the biodigester for your dream house.